What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Police still hunting driver in deadly hit and run of 2 mothers. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. The police are still hunting the driver of a vehicle caused the lives of 2 mothers in the vicinity of El Prado Verde, Spanish Town at about 6:30 a.m. on August 23rd. The car was later found abandoned in the Taz Pen Meadows community. Investigators are tight-lipped at the moment. However, news understands that the unidentified driver is suspected to have been driving under the influence of alcohol following an alleged crime committed prior to being involved in the fatal hit and run accident which has left 13 children motherless. The deceased woman have been identified as Charlene Shand, 41, and her close friend, 51-year-old Maxine Banton, both of 27 Job Lane, Spanish Town. According to the police, Shand and Banton were among a group of ladies jogging along the roadway when a black Mazda Atenza motorcar swerved from off the road and mowed them down, both women and pedal cyclists. The driver miraculously managed to regain control of the vehicle before speeding away from the scene, the police said. Banton died on the spot. Shand and the pedal cyclist were rushed to the nearby Spanish Town Hospital where she succumbed to her injuries sustained, while the condition of the cyclist is said to be stable. 2 of Banton's 7 children were among the group of 5 joggers when the accident occurred. Shand died leaving 6 children behind. News understands also learned that it was her first time going out to jog. Since their death, the community has been offering psychosocial support to the grieving families. Condolences has also come from Member of Parliament Olivia Babsy Grange, as well as the Crescent Primary School where Banton served as a co-opted member of its Parent-Teacher Association. The police are urging the driver of the vehicle to turn himself in, as well as encouraging members of the public to provide them with any information that may lead to his capture. Jano, viewers and subscribers, this happened on August 23rd. First time NEWLINK talk about it, right? Well, it's really sad, people. Really sad. 13 children are now motherless. 7 for one of the deceased and 6 for one of the deceased, right? And this driver now, people, is out there on the run, maybe in the arms of his companion, you know what I mean, where he also maybe have his children at his house. You get me? And I want to know, say, man of Jamaica heartless. Yeah, enough man heartless. But still yet, more to know how you sleep at night. When you eat, how you feel for know so you kill 2 women. And they on the run right now. How do you feel? And the people who they are Jamaica and allowed this man, right, to be around them and know that this man is a double murderer who is on the run. He's not different from taking a knife and kill someone. No. And he's not different from taking a gun and shoot someone. Because he's a murderer. And he's a double murderer. A wicked one. So anybody out there, I NEWLINK are telling this. Who know the man of this Mazda motor car? Who know the man who licked down the 2 females them, including a pedal cyclist? You understand? Please report it to the nearest police. Please, NEWLINK asks you. Report it to the nearest police. You understand? And driver boy, if you do see this vlog, carry yourself in. Yeah, man. Carry yourself in. That's all NEWLINK I got to tell you. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack people. Just love, and respect. And be good. And be great. And stay blessed. And stay positive. All the time. Peace out. Attack them NEWLINK. We say that. Big up on yourself, people. I'm out. Big up.